Hey guys, I'm gonna show you a tutorial about the locksmith. It's really good because he does changes in doors. He does lots of things. For example, he's working right now. I'm gonna show you.
Hello.
So as you could see, this is all his work. I'm gonna show you a little example of what he does. It's changing the lock. As you could see, that's the keys. As you guys could see, my dad does these stuff with all the working materials. That's how he does his keys, right there. He does lots of, whoa, that's lots of stuff. Here he has all his stuff. It's like a mini house because look, it has air conditioner. It has everything. If you guys could please call at 786-564-4400. You guys see 786-564-4400. Sometimes he installs cameras and all of that stuff, computer service sometimes. Okay, I hope you guys like this tutorial and I hope you have a great day. Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Mommy.